Most people think you need a factory, a big team, and millions to start manufacturing. But the truth? In 2026, some of the smartest entrepreneurs are making full-time income with machines that fit on a desk. These machines are small, affordable, and insanely profitable. Some cost less than a new iPhone, yet generate thousands in monthly profit. And you won't believe what number 3 on this list does. I've spent months studying these new micro-manufacturing tools, from smart engravers to automated food units. And these 10 have one thing in common. They make money fast. So let's break down the 10 low-cost machines with crazy ROI in 2026, starting with one that's turning rooftops into real businesses. Machine number 10, V-Box Urban Beekeeping Hive. Most people see rooftops as wasted space, but with the V-Box Urban Beekeeping Hive, they become mini money farms. This compact, smart hive automatically monitors temperature, humidity, and bee health. It's designed for city rooftops or small gardens. One hive produces around 20 to 25 kilograms of honey per year. That's over $500 to $700 in sales from a single unit, and the demand for organic, local honey keeps climbing. The hive costs roughly $800 to $1,000, and with just a few units, you can build a profitable micro-apiary business right in the city. Raw material, just bees and maintenance. The V-Box handles the rest, even alerting you when honey is ready to harvest. Smart, sustainable, and profitable. This is eco-entrepreneurship done right. Machine number 9, Vevor Hat Heat Press Machine. Next, let's move from rooftops to creativity. The Vevor Hat Heat Press Machine. This small but powerful tool lets you print custom designs, logos, or artwork directly onto caps and hats. It costs around $250 to $350, yet small businesses sell custom hats for $25 to $40 each. Even a few bulk orders for events or local brands can cover the cost in days. The raw material, blank caps, and heat transfer vinyl. Load the hat, press the design for a few seconds, and you've got a professional-grade custom product. Creators use it for streetwear, sports teams, or corporate merch, turning simple headwear into a branding tool. Low cost, high demand, and perfect for side hustlers with design flair. Machine number 8, X-Tool F1 Ultra Engraver or Laser Cutter. This next one feels like something out of a sci-fi workshop. The X-Tool F1 Ultra Engraver and Laser Cutter. A small laser that can engrave metal, glass, leather, or wood with insane precision. Small creators use it to personalize wallets, jewelry, knives, even MacBooks. Products that sell at 3x to 10x markup just because they're custom. The machine costs around $1,800 to $2,200, and it fits right on a desk. Raw materials, almost anything flat. Wood, steel, or acrylic sheets. Just upload your design, press start, and the laser does the rest in seconds. It's the perfect bridge between creativity and small-scale manufacturing. A compact tool turning ideas into premium products. Machine number 7, Sausage Tying Machine. From creative tech, let's move to something that feeds real profits. The Sausage Tying Machine. This compact device automatically twists and ties sausage links, speeding up production for local butchers, delis, and small food brands. It costs roughly $900 to $1,200, but can process hundreds of sausages per hour, saving hours of manual labor. With meat products selling fast and steady, it's an easy way to scale without big equipment. Raw materials are simple: ground meat, seasoning, and casings. Feed the mixture, run the machine, and you've got clean, uniform links ready for packaging or sale. Small producers love it because it boosts efficiency and profit without needing a factory setup. Machine number 6, Leather Splitter Machine. Not every profitable machine needs to look futuristic. The Leather Splitter Machine is simple, mechanical, but it powers the booming handmade leather industry. It precisely splits thick leather into even layers, used for wallets, belts, and luxury bags. A solid unit costs around $400 to $800, yet leather crafters sell finished goods for 5x to 10x the material cost. The raw material is just vegetable tanned leather. Feed it through the roller, adjust the blade, and it delivers smooth, uniform cuts, perfect for fine detailing and small workshops and Etsy brands. It's quiet, efficient, and built for anyone turning craftsmanship to a business. InPick Injection Molding Machine. Here's where small business meets real manufacturing. The InPick Injection Molding Machine, model Anery P35. It's a compact unit that can mold plastic parts, tools, or custom components in minutes. Traditionally, injection molding meant massive factory lines. Now, for around $2,000 to $3,000, you can own one that fits on a tabletop. The process is simple. Feed plastic pellets, set the mold, and inject. Within seconds, the part cools and pops out, ready for packaging. Entrepreneurs use it to make phone accessories, hardware parts, and even prototypes for startups. The ROI? Few steady clients can pay off the machine in weeks. It's the kind of small machine that makes big manufacturing finally accessible to individuals. Machine number 4, Nelro Propane Melting Furnace, Metal Foundry. Now, this one looks like something straight out of an industrial movie. The Nelro Propane Melting Furnace, a small metal foundry that can melt aluminum, brass, gold, or silver at over 1400 degrees Celsius. It costs roughly $500 to $800, yet lets creators recycle scrap metal into art pieces, jewelry, or custom cast parts. You pour, mold, and cool. Just like that, waste metal turns into high-value products. Metal artists and small jewelers use it to produce limited edition designs or custom tools. And with metal prices climbing, every ounce counts. Compact, powerful, and surprisingly affordable. It's proof that real industrial capability can now fit inside your garage. Machine number 3, Bolin Mass Fireball Machine, Jewelry or Gold Bead Maker. This one is wild. The Bolin Mass Fireball Machine literally turns molten metal into perfect gold or silver beads automatically. Jewelry makers use it to create fireball beads for bracelets, chains, or decorative art pieces. Process: melt the metal, drop it into the machine, and watch it roll out dozens of perfect spheres in minutes. Each bead sells for $5 to $30, depending on metal and size. So even a small batch can bring in serious profit, especially if you're recycling old jewelry or scrap gold. The machine costs around $1,200 to $1,500, and it's already making waves in small jewelry studios worldwide. It's mesmerizing, profitable, and a perfect example of micro-manufacturing magic in 2026. Machine number 2, Vevor Die Cutting and Stamping Press. This next one turns creativity into a product line. The Vevor Die Cutting and Stamping Press. It's a compact industrial machine that punches, embosses, or stamps designs onto paper, leather, or thin metal sheets. Costing around $700 to $1,000, it's used by small packaging brands, stationery makers, and leather goods businesses. You simply load your design die, apply pressure, and out comes a professional-grade cut or embossed finish. From custom business cards to luxury candle boxes, it adds that premium feel customers instantly notice. And because it's fully manual or semi-auto, maintenance and setup are simple. It's a mini production powerhouse that bridges craftsmanship with modern branding. Quiet profit machine hiding in plain sight. And number 1, Mini Textile Printing Machine. At number 1, the Mini Textile Printing Machine. This compact DTF or sublimation printer is powering thousands of micro apparel brands in 2026. It costs around $1,000 to $1,500, yet lets you print vibrant designs, t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, or even sneakers, all from your spare room. Creators and small shops love it because it delivers factory-level print quality with zero minimum orders. You upload your design, print, heat press, and it's ready to sell on Etsy, Shopify, or at local markets. With personalization booming, margins can hit 200+% per item. It's simple, visual, and fast. The kind of business you can scale in weeks, not months. A small printer, massive creative opportunity. So there you have it, 10 compact machines proving you don't need a factory to build a real business in 2026. Each one can turn creativity, waste, or simple materials into consistent income if you understand the process. The question is, which one would you start with? Drop it in the comments, because the best ideas often start with a single machine. And if you want more business ideas like this, ones that actually work, make sure you're subscribed, because every week we uncover the tools, models, and strategies modern entrepreneurs are quietly using to build wealth. Small machines, big profits. This is where smart business starts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.